it's me, Trish. Welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I am wearing a hand-spun sweater. It's snowing outside. I'm not exactly sure if you can see that, but it is just a little bit. And I have not been here for 2 months. So I'm not exactly sure if we want to talk about that. Nothing major happened, but do you guys want an explanation? Do you care? Does it matter? Are you just like, who cares? We'll just watch what you make? Or I don't know. You tell me. We also have a visitor today. Ollie, come here. Come here. This is our grandson, Ollie. Oh, hi. Say hi. So he's staying with us for a few days while our daughter is in Toronto. I'm actually here to open the December 2018 Paradise Fibers subscription box, but first I'm gonna unbox some fleece. So guys, I swore to myself, let me just adjust this camera a little. I made this solemn promise to myself that I was not gonna buy any more fleece until next spring shearing, but I lied. So are you guys on the Facebook group, the Raw Wool for Sale Facebook group? There's thousands of people in it. And you literally, Ollie, no. You literally see like new fleeces posted every day for sale all over the world. It's not just the US. And I saw kind of a smaller Romney cross and I was like, oh, okay. Twist my arm. So this is from New Holstein, Wisconsin, and it's called, oh, Psalm 23 Farm is where it came from. And I don't know what the Romney is crossed with. So I want to say it was like 2 or 3 pounds. It wasn't as big. P.S. I also bought and washed a PFL fleece since last we met. So I lied a lot. I didn't just lie this time. I lie like pretty much, I'm just lying to myself. That's like a little piece of my life. So, are you ready? Oh gosh, can you guys see this? No. So, this is gorgeous. Holy crap. What? This looks like Corriedale. Let's see. That is long. You guys, I'm 5'10", so I have big hands. This has gotta be 4 or 5 inches long. Holy smokes. Let's get a ruler real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I got a ruler. So, my gosh. Without even pulling it, the lock, it's over 5 inches long. If I pull it, it's 6. For those of you on the metric system, that is 10 centimeters, like, you know, just hanging, and a solid 11. You guys, honest to goodness, let me hang on. And it's pretty clean, look at it. That's pretty clean. So I'll probably be buying from there again. We'll see. Okay, love it. Thank you so much, Psalm 23 Farm. I am very happy with my purchase. And now we're gonna move on to the Paradise box. Ready, guys? I did see some, like, I don't know, not spoilers, but I guess teasers ahead about this. Okay. So it says a visit from the Fiber Elves. You ready? I'm not gonna read you the whole poem, but there is a cute poem here that I've already heard was cute. 6 ounces winter gradient blends, 4 colors. So they're 1.5 ounces of each. Super fine merino cashmere, baby alpaca, mulberry silk. Ooh, man, okay. So let's go through these. Are you ready? Woo, woo, and it matches my sweater. I love it. Okay. Oh, cute. No, I love spark. Oh, there's a stitch marker on here. There's more than one stitch marker on here. Okay, let me take those off really quickly so you can see them. Oh, and you guys, I was gonna do this live, but I can't find my phone. Let's just hope it will ring or chime me or something, because I can't find it. Okay. Ooh, these are together really tight. Hang on. Ooh, man. Okay, so you get super cute little candy cane. Also, super cute little snowflake. I have been obsessed with snowflakes for like 20 years. I love them. I have jewelry, I have everything. Ribbon on my tree, and super cute little mittens. I am knitting some mittens right now. Well, not right now, but you know what I mean. Okay. So I'm gonna slide this off. Oh, cute. So here is my candy cane. I love peppermint. And look, it's Spokane. It's like a snow globe of Spokane. Cutiness. And snowflakes in here. I just got done telling ya. There's a little pin button that says, I'm dreaming of a finished project. Yeah, me too. That's what I'm dreaming of also. So, oh, I don't know if I just messed this up. Okay, it was like this, right? Trish, why do you do this? Okay, I'm pretty sure it was. So, this one is Apra City. Ugh, my battery's dying. I'll be right back. Unless I have messed up my paper, which could happen. Look how pretty. Oh. Oh my gosh. This one I'm pretty in love with, and you guys, it's so soft you can barely feel it on your hands. So this one is Primaveral or Primaveral, I don't know. Look at that too. That is beautiful. I can't find the end. Leave it to me. There we go. Where is it? There. Look at that. So this has just like a tiny bit of, I can't tell if it's light gray or pink or what. But, ooh, man. Okay. And then this says Publocto. I don't know, Publocto. Look at purple, black. That's like evil unicorn, we'll call it. Ew. It's so soft. It's unbelievable. And then this one is Brumation. And it's got a snowflake stuck in it. So they kind of coordinate, and I guess the plan that they kind of put out, I don't know, put out's the wrong word, but you know what they talked about is that it was chosen specifically so that we could spin a gradient or, you know, use it for basically, and I mean, it kind of is a gradient if you look at it, because you go from like the blue and white to a blue and white with like a darker blue. This is purple with the blue in it and some black, and then this is straight black and purple. So it's definitely set up to work as a gradient. It's gorgeous. I'm not sure how I'm gonna spin it yet. I have to think about it. I'm always kind of in love with what I get in these boxes, and I like to wait until I feel like I come up with a plan that I'm gonna love. Thank you, Paradise. If you want your own Paradise box for December 2018, you can click on the affiliate link below and get your own. And these are gorgeous, and oh my gosh, guys, it's so soft. It's crazy. I'm not sure what I will make out of this, but you know, it would make amazing like hat, cowl, mitt set. So maybe that's what I'll do, but I'll keep you posted. Thanks for joining me, and I'm glad to see you. And don't forget to let me know what you're doing right now in your own projects. Talk to you soon. Bye.